So guys, I decided to add a smart control panel for my living room, which means I wanted the screen to be controlling my smart home devices, but I didn't want to use my phone always. So I wanted a smart hub that also serve as an aesthetic or a nice screen in the room. So I went for a budget-friendly device, that's the Google Home Hub. And since I'm running two automations in my house, the Amazon Echo Home and the Google Home. So I decided to go for the Google Home first for my living room. Then later I'll go for the Alexa Home Hub or the Amazon Home Hub for my bedroom. So join me and let's unbox this wonderful device for you to see how wonderful it is. So on the top, they've written the Google Home Hub, hands-free help at home. And then at the back, help to glance, Google, command your day, play favorite songs, simplify your smart home, answer for moments, make hand-free calls, relieve your memories. So when you check the side too, you can see they have Hey Google, the Google Calendar, Google Maps, Nest, front door camera, YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Photos, and etc. So now we have the Home Hub here. It came in this pink or cream color. I can't say it's cream or I can't say it's pink because it's like a blend of both. So we have our manual here and our startup guide. So plug it in, get the app, just say hey Google, what can you do? So we just need to set the device up to see how it works. You have a warranty plus some safety tips or manual guide. And on this side you have the power brick here. This power brick looks the same as the Google Nest Mini or the Google Nest adapter. This is how it looks like. That's the Google logo. Yeah. So guys, this is what we got in the box. This is the Nest Hub. As you can see, it's very nice and heavy. So this is the interface, so this is the screen. It has two mics here and this is the sensor. So when you turn the back here, you can see this is the mute and unmute button here, and in the sideways to this button is the volume down and volume up. So if you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, you use the volume button. You can also use your voice to give it command for it to increase or decrease the volume. So let's set it up for you to see how wonderful this device is. So guys, now we finished setting up our Home Hub, and this is the clock displaying on the Google Home Hub. So when you want to go into it, you just tap on it, then it show you the art gallery we selected when we were setting up our Google Home account. You can either choose to use your Google Photos or you can use those Google Art Gallery pictures from online. So now we want to go inside and see how our display looks like. So when you scroll from the down, you can see your brightness level here, and when you scroll, you can see your volume rocker here. You can tune it down and up. Okay. So you can also go to the settings at this side you can have your alarms here, do not disturb, and your help center here. So let's go into it and see what our device has for us. So you can see your widgets here, you can see our playing sounds. This is our living room light showing the weather. So when you want to see our smart devices in our room, you just need to click on home control. Then you can see we have our light here, we have our speaker, we have our routine, and we have our rooms. You can see our TV, our room light. These are room lights, our TV, our sound bar, media also here. You can play video, what's in your Google archives. You can do a whole lot of stuff. When it comes to communication, you can make calls using the Google Duo. You can make a video call or an audio call, but because with the Home Hub it doesn't have a camera. With the Home Hub Max they have cameras, so this Home Hub is the first generation of the googlenest, so you don't get a camera in front there, so you can only call or you can only do calls on audio. And here you have Discover, that will show you things you can do with your smartphone. And you can also use your voice to control your Home Hub for certain commands, or all of the commands that basically you see on the screen or use your hands to touch. You can also use your voice to give a command. So you can say, hey Google, open YouTube.
Sure, here's YouTube.
So based on your internet connection, you get your YouTube. Because today I'm having a little bit of network issue because my network is not all that stable here. That's why it was delaying. So you can see recommended videos. You can just scroll in. You can just mention the video too for it to start playing directly. So you can just watch this highlight.
Away with Excelsior, albeit it ended in relegation. It's drawn up plenty of interest, including from AZ Alkmaar.
You can pause, you can cast your video you're watching here to your TV above, you just give it a command to cast it to it, because basically they are on the same Wi-Fi network. And you can also scroll up and check other videos. You can watch Tech with Sprat, Tech with Brett. You can watch all these videos, Matthews Brown. You can watch highlights from previous matches and so on. You can also watch. Basically, this makes your life or your smart home less stressful, because all the time you're using your phone to set or control your home devices, and also using your voice. But with this, you get a display which you don't need to go on your phone. It's just around. You can hang it on the wall or put it on a table in which you can navigate and do other things. You can set a timer. Hey Google, set a 1 minute timer.
Got it, 1 minute. And that's starting now.
So right now you set a 1 minute timer, and when there's 1 minute it will ring the timer for us to know that 1 minute is up.
Qui n'a jamais arbitré de finale de Ligue des Champions, c'est la première fois il avait.
So guys, now as you can see, our timer is up, so to pause the YouTube video and to play us our timer to remind us that 1 minute is up, so you can just tap it for the
Arbitrer les débats entre Francfort et
You can also set alarms with your voice. You can ask it many questions. Hey Google, show me how to make a cake recipe.
Here's a video I found from search.
So you can see. You can also ask it how to give you the recipe book or recipe tips or guide. Hey Google, show me the steps in making a cake.
I don't know, but I found these results on search. Here's a video I found from search.
You can follow these steps to make a cake. Then you can ask it, hey Google, what's the upcoming holiday?
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
So to tell you, to give you the search results from Google, You can also ask it, hey Google, open Netflix.
Got it. Here's Netflix.
So you can see, you can just open Netflix too. And so let's go back and see what we have. So with this screen, you can just swipe left, come here, you can just click on the contact to make a call.
Looks like that contact isn't set up for duo calling.
That means the person doesn't have good duo calling or it's not on a duo device. So here you can find Discover to show you the calculators, stock prices, showing latest movies. So right now it's telling you the things you can do. You can find your dinner recipes, you can add items to your shopping list in which will be showed on your event widget or dashboard. So let's ask the question, hey Google, what is 80 times 90?
The answer is 7,200.
Okay. Hey Google, what's the next Euro matches?
Tomorrow, the Czech Republic will play Portugal at 7 p.m.
So as you can see, you can ask it questions about football. Like basically it's Google, so any question or anything you can search on Google, you can just ask this device and it will produce you with a fantastic or a correct answer. It's not made, it won't be always right, but you get an answer. That's Google. So let's ask the stock prices. Hey Google, what's the stock price for Apple?
Apple is trading at $216.60 a share in after-hours trading, down 0.03% from closing.
Okay, so you can see it has given us the stock price for Apple. We can ask the question, hey Google, when is the next release of the Pixel?
On the website readwrite.com, they say, rumors suggest a third Pixel 9 model may be introduced. Conflicting reports on screen sizes and camera configurations. Expected release in October 2024, possibly teased at Google's I/O conference in May 2024.
Okay, so now you see you asked the question about pixels and it gave us what Google is planning. So we can ask the question like, hey Google, when is the next WWDC?
On the website macworld.com, they say, dates for WWDC, WWDC 2024, June 10 to 14, WWDC 2023, June 5 to 9, WWDC 2022, June 6 to 10.
So let's try, hey Google, play me music on Spotify.
Alright, playing Spotify.
So it's open the Spotify application, then it will be playing music from Spotify. So if you are registered on Spotify, you have a subscription there, you can just give it a specific title. You can see you can also pause our music from anywhere I sit in the room because it has two mics. It's listening very well. So guys, we can also give it a command for it to control our smartphone devices. So you can say, hey Google, turn off light. So you can see the light is off in the
Sorry, it looks like the ambient light isn't available right now.
because our ambient lights have unplugged it. It's notifying that the ambient light is not on. Because I said lights, it's, you see all those four lights I have in my room, they are lights, but just that you name them a different name to make it specific. So I didn't mention a specific name, I mentioned a direct light. So we turn off all of the lights. So if you give it a specific function like, hey Google, turn on bulb. So you can see turn on bulb, you turn on the main light in the room. When you see turn on the ceiling, to turn on the ceiling electric lights, because I named it ceiling. Hey Google, turn on ceiling. So you can see it has turned on the ceiling. We can also use it to turn on our TV. basically our air conditioning, our fans, our smart plugs, our sound bar, and etc. You can also, as you can see on the panel, you can also reduce and increase the brightness level on your dashboard. So guys, this is basically the Google Home Hub. If you want a budget-friendly screen panel for your smart room, I will tell you to go for this, because you basically can do everything that a smart home hub or a smart home control panel can do with these previous models. The only difference is that with the other versions or the other generations or the newer generations, we have cameras inbuilt into them. But with the older one, this one didn't have a camera. That's the only downside. Maybe sound improvements, but with me, this device, the sound is even really good. So imagine getting the newer generation, you can get a better sound from it. But aside that, this device is still worth it in 2024. So if you're going for it, you can just go for it directly or buy it if you are on a tight budget. So guys, this is the Home Hub. See you next time. Peace.